BossStuff.com. You heard me? Go be a Champions Chicken talking about the Comanche Park car show. March 29th. Be there. Everybody else will. You better be there. You heard me? Park beat. Yo, this is Mike with the Champions Chicken Friday night. Saying to all of you ballers and all you folks who want to come out and have a ball, come to the park, Comanche Park, on March 29th. Come see me. I'll be there, baby. Be there, man.
Love Drake.
That's
how we do it, baby.
Shout it out.
It's the club.
Make it out. Make it out.
I take that slow pump and turn every now and then.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, I want y'all to feel this, baby. Chill. Baby, it's how we do it. It's on a Friday night. Baby, put them up. Hey, if you got your tickets, please, and you sit on leather seats, get your mind on making cheese, lay it back and blowing trees. Say, oh, let me hear you say, oh. The sound is on the green. The paper when I say abracadabra, mistakes keep getting great. Surrounded by haters, rejected by society.
Yes, sir. All this time. What's up, my boy? On the faithful crew. There he is. I got y'all. Got y'all. Everybody. That's what I'm talking about. Get this down. What's up, everybody? What's up, my people?
We hustle every day, every day, every day. I'm hustling. We hustle every day, every day, every day. I'm hustling. We hustle every day, every day, every day. I'm hustling. We hustle for the green man. We hustle for the big stand. We hustle, bleed the block up. We hustle and leave it locked up. We hustle for the green man. We hustle for the big stand. We hustle, bleed the block up. We hustle and leave it locked up.
What's up, my people?
I'm gonna be here every weekend, guys. I'm gonna give me a $3.99 plate. I'll be good. That's the real reason I came. I didn't even know there was a show here. I just saw a fucking chicken place. I'm all champion.
That's what we're talking about. Look at him. Yeah, he said I get one free just for tape, dog. I thought that's it. That's what I'm talking about. That's it. Yes.
We hustle for the big gang. We hustle, beat the block up. We hustle and leave it locked up. Hey,
What's up, man? Home up, that's what I'm talking about. Always at Champions Healing.
Always a champion, good supporter.
Love the car show, right?
Hell yeah.
That's a bike show.
Hi, how you doing?
What's up, my
I'm
friend?
the Beat Butter Man. I'm selling Beat Butters.
That's it. And he will be at March 29th at the car show.
Sure will.
Comanche Park, you heard me? With this beautiful piece of fun. Woo! Bouncing all over the place, as usual.
so you can't fucking see me. My mama always said I end up like this. When you see me creep up out in the streets, you know I stay teed up. I carry glass. I'm
Giving a lot of love, and we loving it out here just like we do it at Champion Chicken in San Antonio. Thank you for BossStuff.
What's up, baby?
Coming out here.
Got the wiper right here. What's up? Showtime.
Showtime. This is Showtime.
Showtime.
The chicken fighter.
That's the one. 65.
We have a t-shirt for $20. T-shirt, $20.
Look at that. One of the hottest t-shirts, right? There they go. The food. Yes, sir.
We hustle, yeah. We hustle, yeah. We hustle for the green bag. We hustle for the green bag. We hustle, bleed the block up. We hustle. been locked up. We hustle hard. Now what you take before the fraud.